Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have here the stainless steel kitchen compost bin. So it holds 1.13 gallons, and this is what it looks like here. I'm trying to think who it's by. I don't know if it's Hackwell, Hackwell maybe. I don't know if there's a sticker on it that says that, so maybe that's the brand. I'll put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up or look at what it is and, you know, whatever. So this is what it looks like. We'll open it up here and see how it is. So I'm just gonna put it down right here for a second. And that's all that comes in the box is this thing. Hopefully there's some instructions inside of it, let's see. Or maybe not. I don't even know if you need instructions for one of these things. So there's a card. What does the card say? It just says thank you. We hope you enjoyed your product. You can get a free 1-year warranty if you email them. So there you go. And then this is what it looks like here. So this is it. Looks like a little trash can. So you do that, and you push it. And I'm guessing when it closes, it seals up, kind of. And then there's the inner liner here. So that's I think that's where you put all your goop and stuff. And I guess there's really no instructions. I guess it doesn't really need it. A couple of pieces of cardboard just to keep it clean. And actually, you could probably compost these things in there too if you have some starter soil or whatnot. So I'm going to be putting this here on the counter somewhere and start to load it up with all my orange peels, banana peels, apple cores, and whatever other organic stuff I can think of. So pretty cool. Now, we'll see how it works. And I've got a nice stainless steel one to match all my stuff. But I'll put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. But there you go, you've seen what this one looks like. I'll put it there.